Good evening, ma'am. My topic is all about crime mapping. So, crime mapping is the process through which crime analysts and researchers use location about crime events to detect spatial pattern in criminal activity. Early mapping efforts typically involved placing physical markers such as pins on maps to designate the location where crimes occurred. So, kanang picture nga nasa kilid, mao na siya ang example sa crime mapping. So, unsa may nakagamit aning crime mapping? So, kaning crime mapping, dako kayo na siya tabang sa mga researchers or mga crime analyst para malocate or ma-determine nila asa dapit na nga area. Usually, ma-involve nga na yung mga criminal activity na mahitabo. So, kini siya, mas dali man good ni siya pag-deploy sa mga police officers or enforcers kung asa dapit ang mga possible nga mga kumitan og crime. Crime mapping is essential for planning. It has time span. It could be represent the crimes committed within a week, month, quarter, semester, or year. Crime mapping is very important in police planning as regard crimes happen in the area of responsibility or AOR of a certain police unit or station. So, sa crime mapping, nindot kayo siya. Most of the time, good ani niya nga applicable is kaning per semester or year. So, it depends na siya ha sa area of responsibility nimo ibutang nato ang rate nga mahatag sa Cebu or sa Iligan. Ang Iligan is dili ra kayo na ingana kadakong area sama sa Cebu. So ilaha dito most of crime mapping ana pampila ka man sa target nila. Labi na events. So kana siya na gyud na ginatrack gyud ang record diri sa ato na mangyapon pero dili gyud ngana kay kita dili man kayo ta highly organized area. So excuse me. The very aim of crime mapping yun is suppression or prevention. Kining gitawag na to nga prevention kung when we say sa crime, mao gyud ni pinaka-best nga mabuhat sa usa ka police officer to prevent crime before it happens. Mao bitaw nang daghan kayo tang gitawag na mga personal plans para ma-cater nato ang mga possible na mga problems na ma-encounter kay tinuod by its definition criminology nindot kayo nga kuan study of crime as a social phenomenon because a crime dili gyud nato ma-predict nga when or where or how kung kanusa siya makomit ngano man ang ato ang environment fast changing ang ato ang mga kinahanglan mahal ang demands unya nagka-less ang trabaho nagkadaghan ang mga population ang crime rate nagkataas sa mga areas nagkalisod gyud kayo labi na karon nagkagrabe na gyud ang krimen example through online like scam so kaning crime mapping helpful gyud kayo ni siya labi na sa law enforcement bodies because mas dali na lang gyud i-determine ang mga areas nga naay krimen. It could pinpoint so tungod ganing tawag na tong mga crime mapping dali ra gyud kayo ma-determine sa usa ka police manager sa ilang area of responsibility. For example, sa Station 5, isa ka police officer diha ka na-assign. Ang imong area is ang mga nasakop sa kana nga station. So kani man yun nga station ang grabe ka busy kay halos mga crime netabo is sakop yun sa ilang station labi na diha sa syudad. So dali ra gyud magpa-pinpoint kay naa may track or kanang gitawag na to nga map where certain crimes happen so pasabot pod aning crime mapping crime dili lang sa isa ka area kundi sa tibok lugar. It consists of its title, the map of the AOR or certain police unit or station. So, mao na format sa atong gitawag na crime mapping. So, nadiha kanang ang pula nag-indicate siya nga burglary, then ang blue kay Grand Theft Auto, ang purple kay theft from vehicle, ang light blue kay personal or other theft, ang orange kay robbery, ang light blue kay aggravated assault, ang green kay rape, then ang yellow kay homicide. So, the crime clock and the legend. So, ang crime clock naa nay time frame for example, diri sa Iligan City. Always na ipang pangawat may tabo around 1 AM. Kay mingaw naman gyud na. So, kana i-record na didto sa crime clock. Matrack na din na siya dito. So, how crime mapping is making communities safer. So, crime mapping has become incredibly popular as it is turning into one of many ways to successfully lower crime rates. For police service, crime mapping allows them to become more transparent in regards to the information that is shared to the public. For some communities, this has spontaneous improves relations with the police. Initially, police service were worried about the public having access to this sensitive information. But this has been the least of their worries due to the benefit it has had both on reducing crime and community support. Crime mapping has had such a positive impact on communities that is becoming trending tools for police service across every countries. A recent study found the average person's thoughts on crime activity were heavily influenced by media depiction, demographic qualities, and personal experience. Thus, it is easy to understand why having access to this information is so important. For example, as a parent, if you notice that there is a high risk of theft and robbery after 11 p.m. on the weekends, you can implement certain precaution to ensure the safety of your children. So, kung mag-crime mapping, maggamit yun ta og geographical mga na siya ang kaning example, isa ni siya sa crime clock na gisulti diya. Mao ni naga-state na 11 PM nga nahitabo. Then moto balik-balik ra gini siya ka kung giingon nga ang crime mapping dali mao ni siyang dako kani siyang tabang sa mga police officers kay para dali ra ma-determine kung asa dapit ang crime nga kasagaran nga mga crime nga mahitabo. How crime mapping has helped the police. So, first is understand which neighborhoods are more prone to certain crimes. Second, allow for the public to engage in the community, especially involving community policing. Third is the public is able to take the part in community safety just as the police do. Fourth, analyze the data and have a better understanding why crimes occur frequently. Fifth, does a better job at minimizing victimization. Sixth, examining where past victims or offenders live and where crimes occurred helps police determine which neighborhoods attract offenders and hire unknown offenders or may reside. Lastly, help visualize data, assess human behavior and its relation to geographical areas, and keep up by following these fatal patterns. Thank you for listening and God bless.